Recently, I was at the BMW Motorrad Service for some work, which you might get to see in the coming time. While I was there, they checked my G310R's VIN, that is vehicle identification number, and said if I had some time to spare, then they can upgrade the throttle sensor on the G310R with a new updated one. I guess this is a part of some soft recall for some batches of the G310 series. The motorcycle comes with a ride-by-wire system, so a software update was also involved in this process. The replacement is fairly straightforward, as the complete throttle with the grip is replaced, so you can call this a plug-and-play job. Riding after the replacement, I can ensure you that the difference is noticeable, where the throttle response is way more crisp and that jerk and surge after 3000 rpm is completely gone for a creamy power delivery. I have almost done 200 plus kilometers with this upgrade, and within the initial kilometers I realized that the rise in RPM with respect to the throttle input has changed, which made me realize that the new grip has got less roll than the previous one. So this is a kind of quick throttle upgrade from BMW that concentrates your reaction zone for fueling with respect to your twist of the grip. Please don't misunderstand this for more horsepower or torque that will now match some orange motorcycle, but this upgrade will definitely fill up the riding experience with some more fun. Quicker response will lead you to better overtaking experience, which almost feels like riding a new fuel map, which actually is. I guess I'm enjoying it more than it is intended to, as there is a noticeable drop in the fuel efficiency, and I will take that blame for not being gentle with the throttle. This also makes it more fun inside the city, as the power delivery is almost effortless. I'm yet to notice any other significant change in the motorcycle behavior after this upgrade, as it still runs hot inside the city traffic, and don't expect the speed versus RPM ratio to change after this upgrade. As we are on this, I remember a lot of you guys commented on the engine oil change video about the Yamaha Racing engine oil that I'm using in this motorcycle. I do have some interesting observations on it, which will be covered in an upcoming video, so keep a check on the channel. I must add that the BMW Motorrad Service did an excellent job in carrying out this process, where the technicians knew in and out about this job. I absolutely love their facility where the customer is allowed to sit and see their machines being worked on. And yes, if your VIN is reflected in the replacement list, then the complete job including the parts will be replaced at BMW's expense. I guess ownership experiences like this will be helpful for fellow G310 owners and others who want to know more about episodes of ownerships like this. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.